How are you? So I am on my flat. Today I will tell you how I have made $1,800 just making cartoons on Fiverr. So it's an easy money. I know you all guys love the easy money. You all guys know the easy money. So let me quickly tell you without wasting your time, because time is what we can't get it back. We can get the money, we can get everything, but we can't get the time back. So without wasting further time, so here is my whole setup, where I do the work, and this is where I will tell you the top secrets, where the business is actually all about your professionalism, how you manage your time. Actually, managing time is a wrong concept, which I feel, and I also saw many videos and applying on my myself and get this experience. Is you can't manage the time. Time is always there. You need to have self management. When you manage yourself, time or automatically get managed. You have to prioritize the things, manage priorities instead of managing the time. So here we go. So you can see me. So fine. So today I'm going to tell you 4 tips regarding this. So the four tips are like this. The first tip is you need to be very much creative. Like other people are doing the same thing and you are doing the same thing, which means, my brother, you have to be very much creative, plus unique. But don't too much worry about it, because so many people are very creative, they are awesome, they are much more better than me. Even I'm not nothing at all. But the thing, there are many people who are successful and they achieve some success in their life. The main difference is they take actions. They if you keep on thinking too much, if you have a micro talk here too much, you will take less action. And if you take less actions, the less result you will get. Less action, less result. As simple it is. So take action. Don't worry about too much. Don't if you are too cautious, you will land up doing nothing. So this is the basic thing. Yeah. Okay. Why it's lagging, I don't know. I'm sorry about it. Why it's lagging down? It's lagging. Video is not that much slow. So let me